Hello watch people, the bald watch guy here. Today I'm showing you the state of my collection. It's October 2025 and I'm just going to run through them real quick. So we've got the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 41mm blue dial. What I'm going to be doing is just naming the watches. So if there's any you'd like to know more about, just put in the comments and I'll do a full video on it. So this is the Oris Aquis relief bezel. Next one is a Cartier Santos copy, basically with a Seiko movement. Next one is a Oris Big Crown Pro Pilot with the day and the date function. Next one is an older one. It's a Raymond Weil Don Giovanni. Next we've got a AP Royal Oak Homage, which is a Didden design, nice and cheap quartz watch. Next we've got my newest one, which is a Raymond Weil Millisarm. That bracelet is gorgeous. Next we've got a Casio Ediface, solar powered. Next, this is a freebie watch from Shein, which I changed the bracelet for, which is a Lige, which is not one of my favourites. Next we got a Hugo Boss Icon, and that's, I've changed the strap for a rubber strap on that one. Next we've got one of my favourites, Victorinox Inox blue dial. This is the quartz version. Next we've got the Victorinox Maverick. This is the green dial with the two-tone bracelet. And lastly, we have got an old tissot. I'm not sure of this model or the reference number. I've had it quite a while and lost all the paperwork. But cheers, if you want any more videos in depth, let me know which watch. Thank you, bye.